you'll have a question like this, which is actually a question that you had on test 2. This one, I kind of put 2 questions together from the section 2.5 homework, just so we can kind of go through a couple of examples. And for this one, we've got that the age of Best Actor and Best Supporting Actor at an awards show have a mean for the Best Actor of, and I'm actually going to go ahead and split my screen, and I'm going to do Best Actor and Best Supporting Actor. So for the Best Actor, we have a mean of 46.0 years and a standard deviation of 6.8 years. And a mean for the Best Supporting Actor of 54.0 years and a standard deviation of 14 years. So in a particular year, the Best Actor was 45 years old. That is our X. And the Best Supporting Actor was 86 years old. And so we want to transform each age to a z-score, interpret the results, and then determine whether the age is unusual. So remember, for our z-score, that's fine. Z equals X minus the mean over the standard deviation. And so if I do that for the Best Actor, 45 minus 46 divided by 6.8, that is going to be a -1 divided by 6.8. And let me grab my calculator. So I'm just doing this. I'm actually not even going to type the negative in, since I just need to know the number. I know it's negative. And just in case, I'm going to go ahead and put that there. 1 divided by 6.8 is 0.147. And usually, Pearson will ask you to round that to 2 decimal places. So we would say 0.15 and still negative. Our z-score for our Best Supporting Actor, on the other hand, that would be 86 minus 54 divided by 14. And so that would be, 32 divided by 14. And so when I do that division, this one will remain positive. And again, I'm going to go write a few more decimal places out just so that you can... 2.2857. And so again, if we were to round to 2 decimal places, 2.29. So that's part A. Part B is to interpret, and you're actually going to be filling in the blank for the statement. But basically, what you're going to be saying, or your interpretation, is going to be that this specific age is 0.15 standard deviation. So notice that I did not put the negative in there. So this age is negative, the z-score is negative 0.15. This age is 0.15 standard deviations below. That is what the negative is telling us, the mean. And so similarly over here, this age is 2.29. So I don't change my number here, but technically I do have, I'm considering this as a positive, because that positive is going to tell me that I'm going to be above the mean. So when we have a negative, the first part of that answer, if it's negative, will include it, but the second part won't. The negative comes into play on the words that we use. All right. And then part C, determine whether the age is unusual. Remember, for an age, or for any z-score, or I guess any x value to be considered unusual, it needs to be outside of that -2 to 2. So here we'd say no. Z-scores between -2 and 2. I know that that is not, there we go, are usual. So that's fine. However, over here, this is more than 2 standard deviations away. So yes, z is greater than 2. So that means it is unusual. So like I said, this is exactly like one of the questions that you would have had on test 2. I'm just giving you all a chance to do it again because we did talk about z-scores with our normal distributions. All right.